Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be reading chapter 3 of Stella Diaz Has Something to Say. So we left off, and Stella was very excited to go to bed, and she was very hopeful that the new student would speak Spanish just like her. So let's see. Monday morning, Nick walks me to school before he heads over to Arlington Heights Middle School. He's about to say his usual, "Bye, sis," when Jenny runs over. She has a huge smile, and then she twists around. I see why she's so happy. She has a new backpack, and it has glitter, sparkles, and a cat. It's very Jenny. Like it? She asks. Yes, I say. Thanks. I wanted to get one that looks like Anna's. Who? I ask. Uh-oh. Remember, Jenny is Stella's only friend right now. I also just want to point out, see how Angela Dominguez, every time a new person talks, Stella and Jenny, there's a new paragraph. Anna, she's in my class. She has the best taste. Jenny grins. Nick rolls his eyes. Girls. He does not like sparkles. Then he rubs my head and takes off as Jenny and I walk into our school. Take a look at Stella's face here. I almost forgot, Jenny says. I have leche candy for you. My mom went to Vietnamese market. She opens her backpack to give me the candy. I lick my lips. Jenny's family is from Vietnam, but unlike me, Jenny was born here in Chicago. Yum, I say, popping a piece in my mouth. Jenny nods and looks into her classroom. Oh, I see Anna. I have to show her my new backpack. See you at lunch, Stella. The backpack that looks like Anna's bounces as Jenny runs into the room. From where I am standing, I can see Jenny talking to Anna, but only the back of Anna's head. Who is this Anna? I think to myself. I sigh and I look down at the best friend bracelet Jenny gave me over the summer. It suddenly looks smaller than usual, especially compared to a backpack. I'm glad Jenny isn't lonely in her class, but she and I are the only ones who are supposed to match. If there were a rule book to being best friends, I'm sure rules on matching would be on the top 10, easily. It's just that part of being best friends. Luckily, I start feeling better as soon as I get to my room and see Miss Bell standing in front of the whiteboard. She's wearing polka dots again. They're my favorite, she told us on the first day of class, which made me happy. Polka dots are my favorite too. I sit down in my assigned seat as Miss Bell carefully starts to write our agenda for the day on the board. In perfect cursive writing, she squiggles library visit, sustained reading. Do you remember what sustained means? Lunch, story time, and science. I copy it down in my spiral notebook. Then I add a 6 item to my schedule and draw a smiley face. Make a new friend. Today is going to be a good day. Miss Bell, are you going to read from Help, I'm a Prisoner in the Library again today after lunch? Asked Chris Pollard. He's one of the loudest kids in our class and is best friends with Ben Shaw, the class clown. Seems only appropriate since we're visiting the library this morning, doesn't it? She says as she pushes her glasses up on the bridge of her nose. Hearing that makes me feel happy. Even though we can all read really well, Miss Bell reads out loud to us a little bit every day during story time. It's just one chapter, but it's like watching a play. I close my eyes remembering how Miss Bell does all these great voices for all the characters. Suddenly, the bell rings. I open my eyes. The classroom is full except for one empty seat where the new kid, aka my new friend, will sit. I bet she will have the best taste, even better than Anna's. And here's the empty seat for the new friend.